Hiya. I just wanted to make it clear here in the city of Belgrade, where I am today, God chose me. I didn't choose him. I chose to listen and do what he tells me. But he chose me. He anointed me. So he's got my back. I've got the light wherever I go. So, and I'm realising that's why I don't fight or argue anymore. Because he's going to rebuke you. So if the devil wants to attack me, to sort it out with God. Whoever wants to tell me or belittle me or do whatever, sort it out with God. I'm with him and I'm doing what he tells me and I'm following his plan. So, and he's telling me I'm unstoppable because I've got to be 9:33. You see? So I'm going wherever the light shows me. Ha ha.